racing lead.
Welcome back to Level 9 Mardi Gras World. We've arrived at the finals, where the top 3 pilots from semifinal 2 meet the top 3 pilots from the qualifiers. Now here in the finals, there are 5 regular heats. Win any one of them, and you're in the golden heat. Once we get to the golden heat, it is winner take all. Whoever finishes first will not only be declared the level champion, but also earn 12 valuable season points. Let's meet the pilots that are going to decide this level. The Phenom, Heads Up in Tennessee, flies light blue. Amari in Iowa flies white. Miwo in San Jose will fly dark blue. Sky, Nub, and Fluxy, the same colors as before. PK Heads Up mentioned after qualifying that he feels this is the toughest course they have flown so far.
Well, he's certainly not wrong. With a quick track like this, and as tight as it is, it does not leave any room for errors.
Finals, Heat 1. This is to decide it all. First heat, they're through the Allianz Vortex dive. They'll go around the column. That's one of the hardest turns on the course. As they head to the beat gate, a left turn. Early lead for Nub in purple. Heads Up in light blue right there.
Nub in front, but look at Heads Up on the way up.
They go through the chicane, the DraftKings gate. Now they will set up for the dive gate. Nub in purple right there with Heads Up in light blue and Amari in white, all fighting for first.
That turn didn't help him back there. Heads Up going for it. Look at that pass after Nub's mistake.
But Amari in white right there with Heads Up. The rookie royalty making their presence known immediately here in the finals. Through the U-turn, Heads Up in light blue, Amari in white through the Pentagon gate.
He who makes the least mistakes will come out ahead, Craig.
The dive gate set up yet again. Heads Up in light blue. First through, Amari in white right there. They drop through the Allianz Vortex dive. Oh, mistake from Amari. He does not make many of them. Excuse me, from Heads Up. That leaves Amari in front, and it will be Amari who wins the first heat and heads to the golden heat.
I can totally get that. Come on. Let's run it again. Run it again.